This is a Tiruppugal by Arunagirinathar composed at Madurai, Ni Tattvamagi. This has been set to Raga Hindola and Mishra Chaputala by myself. Sagamadani Zagida Magasna Ni Tattvamagi Nemattunayagi Bhudadayavana Bodai Taruvaye Nadadoniyone ஞானக்கடலோனே போதற்றமுதானே கூடற்பெருமாளே. It is a simple Tiruppugal. Let us learn it with the meanings which is attached here. நீதத்துவமாகி நீதத்துவமாகி நேமத்துணையாகி நேமத்துணையாகி பூததயவான பூததயவான போதை தருவாயே போதை தருவாயே நாததுனியானே நாததுனியானே ஞானக்கடலோனே ஞானக்கடலோனே போதற்றமுதானே போதற்றமுதானே கூடற்பெருமாளே கூடற்பெருமாளே. Together let us sing. நீதத்துவமாகி நேமத்துணையாகி பூததயவான போதை தருவாயே நாததுனியானே ஞானக்கடலோனே போதற்றமுதானே கூடற்பெருமாளே போதற்றமுதானே கூடற்பெருமாளே. As I have already told you, in a Tiruppugal, these compositions are composed by Arunagirinathar. Though we don't have his music, we have his lyrics set to the Chandatala tag meter. So this is the Chandas or the meter that which goes with this particular song. And they don't have any sections like a Kriti called Pallavi, Anupallavi or Charana. So you can stop at a meaningful phrase which leads to the theme of the song.